Imagine you finally find your dream apartment in Brooklyn, or you're ready to pull the trigger on that Tesla. You've got the income, you've got the down payment, but then the lender hits you with a no. Why? Because of a number you haven't checked in 6 months. In May 2026, the rules of the credit game just shifted. If you're still using the old advice of just paying your bills on time, you're already losing. Your credit score isn't just a number anymore, it's your financial reputation. And in this economy, a bad reputation is expensive. Today, I'm showing you the 3 underground hacks that are actually moving the needle for Americans right now, and how you can boost your score by 50 points in record time. The 2026 reality. Why good isn't enough. Let's keep it 100. A 700 credit score in 2026 is the new 600. With interest rates doing backflips and banks getting stingy with their money, lenders are looking for the elite, the 760s and 800s. If you're stuck in the fair zone, you're paying what we call the bad credit tax. You're paying more for car insurance, more for your mortgage, and you're getting hit with those predatory interest rates on credit cards. It's a cycle designed to keep you broke. But here's the thing. The credit bureaus aren't your friends, but they are predictable. If you know how the algorithm works in 2026, you can game the system. Hack number 1. The billing cycle. Flex. Most people think they just need to pay by the due date. Wrong. That's a rookie mistake. In 2026, it's all about the statement closing date. If you pay your bill on the due date, the bank has already reported your high balance to the bureaus. Even if you pay it off in full, your utilization looks high and your score tanks. The hack? Find your closing date and pay the balance down to 2% 3 days before that date. To the bureaus, it looks like you barely use your credit, making you look like a low-risk financial god. This one move can jump your score 20 to 30 points in a single month. Hack number 2. Experian Boost was the start, but in 2026 we have utility reporting. You can now report your Netflix, your rent, and even your iPhone monthly payment directly to your credit report. If you're paying these anyway, why not let them build your wealth? And hack number 3. The Authorized User strategy. If you have a family member with a perfect 20-year-old credit line, have them add you as an authorized user. You don't even need the physical card. You just piggyback off their decades of perfect history. It's like a cheat code for your credit age. Your credit score is the engine of your financial life. Don't let it rust. Hit that subscribe button if you're ready to stop being a victim of the banks. Let's get that 800 together. Peace.